Hello, my name is Tim Hernandez. This is my wife, Ingracia. We started this journey back in October of 2020. So it's been about 6 months. It's been a blessing to our family. We've enjoyed it every step of the way. From, Brent up into, the podcast and things of that sort. Everything has just been amazing. I, love being able to reach out to wholesalinginc.com and get questions answered quickly, being able to just go on the Facebook and communicate with people in that sense. Just talking to guys either from or gals from either here in Texas or in different states has been wonderful. I do a lot of the talking, as you can tell, but my wife handles a little bit of a different side of the business, and she can tell you all about that.
Yeah, so I handle all of the operations side. So Tim talks to everybody, he calls them, cold calls, and does an amazing job. I handle all the contracts and everything, and using the contracts that Brent provides, and being able to reach out to people on the TTT or on the TTP Facebook, and being able to see what they use and what works for them, and just being able to tailor everything, but having a full community to support you, which is absolutely amazing.
So yeah, I can definitely say we wouldn't trade it for the world, and so grateful for Wholesaling Inc. and everybody that comes along with it.